Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a self-closing mock ring. A self-closing mock ring is in fact a chain that is closed to make it look like a ring. So it is worked like a chain, but you add an extra loop so you can close it at the end. So you're wrapping as for making a chain, and then before you start your first stitch you want to have a loop in your thread. So I often use this finger to make the loop, but you can just make the loop, I just hold it with my finger, but you can just hold it in a pinch like this and start making your stitches. So there's a loop here. So just start making your stitches, making sure you have this loop at the beginning in your thread. I'm working with 2 shuttles and they are wound continuously. You can do these with a shuttle and ball as well, that works fine. But if you want to be making other elements from your self-closing mock ring, then you want to use a second shuttle to be able to make them. As an example here, there is my maple leaf design, and you can see in the middle here there's a central ring and there's 5 rings thrown off this central ring. So this central ring here is made as a self-closing mock ring, which means you can use the other shuttle to make the rings all around it. So going back to our self-closing mock ring, so I've made 1 stitch. There's the loop here at the beginning. We're going to make just 5 stitches, a picot and 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, a picot and 5 more stitches. 3, 4, 5, and then so you can see now it just looks like a chain with this loop at the beginning. So all you have to do is pass your shuttle through the loop, making sure it's not twisted, like this, and then pull on your right hand shuttle thread to close the chain into a ring. I hope you can see now the loop is disappearing back into the stitches, and this closes the ring up. So there you have it, a self-closing mock ring. So I hope next time you see this in the pattern, it's not going to put you off, or you're not going to be worried about it. It's not difficult. It's just basically a chain where you leave a loop at the beginning and then you can close it into a ring at the end. I hope you find it useful. See you next time. Bye-bye.